Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Vechain. In this video I'm talking about the latest price of the Vechain. What's the current price of Vechain? What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? In this video I will share the latest update. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, I hope you're also feeling good about Vechain because I'm feeling very good. I'm very happy today, my friends. You know what? Why I'm very happy? Because the price changes of the Vechain is completely positive, my friends. You can see here, my friend, that the last 1 hour, the last one day, the last 1 week changes occur in the Vechain is positive, my friends. Absolutely a massive jumps occur by a Vechain. In other side, if we talk about the price changes, so 0.083131 USD dollar is the latest price of the Vechain in the market. That is the latest price and that is the latest update about the Vechain. My friends, due to this update, due to according to the current updates, I'm recommending for everybody that please invest now more and more in the Vechain, because my friends, now there is opportunity for investment, my friends, because the Vechain price is low and the pumping, the changes of the Vechain is positive. So I think it's time to invest now in a Vechain. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of the Vechain. Absolutely massive jump occur in a Vechain. You can see here, my friends, from the price chart. That's also clear. Everybody understand. You can see, my friends, a huge pump occur in the Vechain, my friends. Now this time, I really appreciate for everybody to invest now, because you can see 29% the price increase in the last 7 days. And my friends, my prediction, my technical analysis is also going positive about Vechain, and I hope that they continue this pump for a long time. They will continue this pump for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.